This is quite a complicated question. Again, another past paper question. We're told in the diagram, D, E and F represent the positions of Dunbridge, Earlsford and Fairtown respectively. Dunbridge is 15 kilometres west of Earlsford. That's 15 kilometres west. And from Dunbridge, the bearing of Fairtown is 126 degrees. And that's this one here, the full 126 degrees. From Earlsford, the bearing of Fairtown is 230 degrees. That's this one here. Calculate the distance between Dunbridge and Fairtown. So we're told that Dunbridge is 15 kilometres west. That's 15. West, if you remember, north, south, west and east. These are always 90-degree angles. So if it's west, it's heading to the left from Earlsford. There's Earlsford, we're going to the left. That tells us a couple of useful information bits. It tells us this is a right angle, and it tells us this is a right angle. That lets us work out this angle and this angle. So starting with Dunbridge, we've got 126 degrees. We know 90 of them are accounted for outside of the section we're looking for. So that gives us 36 degrees inside. So the angle at D, right? The angle at E, that's the full 360, take away 90, and take away the 230, which is also on the outside of what we're looking for. That gives us, well, 360 take 230 is 130, take away 90, that gives us 40 degrees. Our next step is to decide what we've got and what we need. So we've got this angle, we've got this angle, we know that length, and we're looking for the distance between Dunbridge and Fairtown. So we're looking for this length. So we've got a side, two angles, we're looking for another side. We've got one angle and its opposite side. We've not got another angle in its opposite side. But we know two sides in a triangle. If we can work out that angle, we will have its opposite as well. So the angle at F is 180 degrees minus the 40 and minus the 36, which leaves us 140, 104 degrees. And because we've got two pairs of opposites, that is the sine rule. And if you remember, the sine rule is in your formula sheet. And because we're looking for a side, we want the sides on the top. So our unknown side, DF, is over its angle, which we happen to know is this one, which was the 40. And because it's sine 40 degrees. And that gives us our 15 over over our sine 104. A little bit of rearranging, we get df is 15 times sine 40 divided by sine 104. Your next step is simply to put that in a calculator and write down your answer.